Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Nexus Phantom Model 24P. Now the Nexus Phantom is a small, classy motorhome. Very nice about it. It comes with an epic paint job with, if we can show the side of it, the paint job right here is absolutely beautiful. It does sit on the Ford E350 chassis, and you have side cameras integrated, left side, right side. And what I love about Nexus is this down here. Down here, they give you the warranty of steel, which is 12-year structural, 6-year lamination. How they're able to do that is they use a high-strength, low-alloy steel for the framing, which is 72% stronger, i.e. 72% safer, and they use the Asdale composite, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Inside, you can see how nice this motorhome looks with the bunk over the cab. Okay, so it is above the cockpit area. Right here's the dinette. It does drop down to make a bed. Over here, we do have pantry space and bedroom wardrobe space. It's what you have to do for such a small Class C. The bed's right here on the slide out. I like how low the bed is. It's easy for people who are short like me to climb in and out of the bed. Into the bathroom, we have a nice corner bathroom. Decent sized shower. That toilet's a little weird because it does sit on the pedestal. We thank the wheel well for that. And here's your sink area right over here. And then to wrap it up in the kitchen, we have a very nice residential style refrigerator, nice big oven, microwave, countertop space, and a little sink right there. This is an awesome little motorhome, a great starter with that full body paint that makes it look absolutely fantastic. Well, that's it, guys. That's a quick 2-minute tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is the motorhome for you, click our link down below, and a member of our motorhome team will reach out to you to get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.